Oh my gosh. Here is our home for the next week or so. Are you ready to now? First load, first load.
Hey.
Where are you going?
Going on a road trip.
All right, let's see how big this baby is.
Big.
So here is our driver. Hello. Are you the RV driver?
Yes.
No.
Well.
Okay, welcome. I'm going to show you where everything is stored. Okay, please come here. Okay, so here's all of our eating stuff.
Yep. Yep.
And
Have to make the noise to open it.
freezer. Fridge. Oh, here's my favorite.
There we
Woo!
go.
Look at all this stuff.
Necessity.
Here we go. All right. What else we got here? Oh, go back this way.
Back this way.
Oh, our coffee machine. Espresso. Woohoo! Brand new one.
Woohoo!
What do we have here? Oh!
Whoa.
These are all the carbs. Carb loading. Here we go. Knives out. Here we go. Woo! Here we go. That's Marco. He's gonna be sitting there for
He comes with
9
the-
hours a day.
He comes with the RV.
And we'll be sitting over here 9 hours a day. What else do we have? Oh, there's so much storage.
Towels. Towels and bananas.
Janelle, Marco's clothes.
Janelle, Marco clothes.
Snacks.
Snacks.
Room to buy more snacks. All right, let's go to the bathroom.
Basha.
All right, so this is kind of cool. Privacy.
Oh,
Whoa,
jeez.
in the bathroom. Oh, that's
More storage.
Bed.
Oh, watch your funny bone.
Ow. Okay. Closet.
Oh.
Jared's closet.
Oh.
And Lisa's closet.
Woo. And TV.
TV. And this will shove out more.
This will shove out more.
And shower. There we go. There we go.
Nice.
All right. That's it.
Woohoo.
Woo! Welcome to our RV.
Who's ready?
Woo! Hi, Jared.
Are we there yet?
Yes, we are. We're almost there. We only have like 9 hours and 15 minutes left to go. Ah! So this is what it's like if you're driving a 28-foot RV. This is from Marco's perspective. It's kind of like Mario Kart driving. And
Just like Mario.
that is his co-pilot. Very useful. Not really. Happy birthday, Janelle! Happy birthday! Cozy, cozy! Cozy, cozy! Cozy, cozy! Woo! We're entering into, officially, Utah! Oh, we win! We're in! Where are we? Utah! We're at Moab, Utah. We finally arrived and we're in our stall. And now we pushed everything out. So let me just show you how much wider it is. Much wider, right? And let me show you the master bedroom. Good. It's all pushed out. It's all pushed out. So now we have more room to get to our closets. Right? And I'll show you outside. Here we go. Here's our campsite. We have a little bit of shade.
Made in the shade.
This is our view. You can't touch the... All right, everyone, quiet in the stands. We got Jared showing up. First hole.
Hey.
Oh, not big. Oh. Ooh.